Hello and welcome today. We'll discuss the importance of maintaining liver health. The liver is one of the most vital organs in our body and plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health. By watching this video, you'll gain valuable insights into what to do and what not to do to keep your liver healthy. Functions and importance of the liver. Firstly, let's take a look at the functions and importance of the liver. The liver regulates many metabolic processes in our body and detoxifies toxins. Additionally, it plays a key role in digestion and maintains our body's energy balance. Nutritional recommendations for a healthy liver. Nutrition is essential for a healthy liver. Consuming green leafy vegetables, fruits, whole grains, healthy fats, and adequate protein intake can support liver health. Moreover, avoiding processed foods and sugary beverages is crucial. Alcohol consumption and liver health. Alcohol consumption has serious effects on liver health. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to liver fat accumulation, hepatitis, and liver cirrhosis. Therefore, limiting alcohol consumption or avoiding it altogether is important. Role of regular exercise. Regular exercise is also important for maintaining liver health. Exercise regulates fat metabolism in the body and can reduce the risk of liver fat accumulation. Engaging in at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week can support your liver health. Avoiding toxins. Avoiding chemical additives, heavy metals, and harmful toxins is important for liver health. Opting for organic and natural products and avoiding harmful substances can protect your liver health. Healthy lifestyle changes. Adopting a healthy lifestyle, including not smoking, managing stress, and getting adequate sleep, can also support liver health. Embracing healthy lifestyle habits is an important step in protecting your liver health. Conclusion. Remember, maintaining liver health requires attention to nutrition, exercise, and lifestyle changes. By watching this video, you've been informed about how to protect your liver health and inspired to take steps to support a healthy lifestyle. Remember, your health is in your hands.